So we're on the way to KTM Gear 4 motorcycles is what we're visiting today. I was supposed to be picking up my KTM 390 Duke today, but that was scuppered. It was scuppered because the dealer went to put a code in to unlock the ECU and it wouldn't unlock. And the reason it wouldn't unlock is because KTM have recalled the 390 Duke for some reason. The dealer says it is a headlight issue, but KTM have been pretty cagey about it. So I'm not really sure what's going on with that at the moment, but we're going there today for a different reason. Not to pick up a new motorcycle, but to try an electric bike. We are going to have a go on the Freeride E-SM, which is the Supermoto electric bike. That should be quite interesting. And the strange thing about that bike is it does not have any foot controls at all. It is purely a hand. So you've got no clutch, and where the clutch lever is, you've got the brake lever. And you've got no gears. And what you have got is something like 42 Newton meters of torque from 0 RPM, so it makes all the torque straight from the get-go. No build-up or anything like there is on most motorcycles. All the torque all the time. So it's going to be an interesting experience, I think. I mean, the only downside with those motorcycles is they cost nearly £8,000. And they only have a range of, they don't quote it in miles, they quote it in minutes. So a range of 40 minutes, up to 40 minutes. When I had a go the other week, I got on the bike and it went from 2 bars to no charge, so not really that accurate on the old charge meter either by the seams of things. But yeah, I wasn't impressed that I couldn't pick the bike up. I mean, there's not any reason why I shouldn't be able to pick the bike up even though it's got a recall. It's up to me whether to come back with a recall or not, really. But it is essentially a digital rights management on a motorcycle, because that is KTM telling you what you're allowed to do with the bike. And it does concern me a bit for the future, because if it starts off something small like that, where does it end? Where is your bike going to start monitoring what speed you're doing, and your location all the time? And it could get to the point where the bike could automatically report you for going over the speed limit, and your license is automatically docked, and you just get a letter through the post saying you're banned. It's a little bit disturbing, if I'm honest. And there's no saying that the bike couldn't be controlled by the engine management system completely and stop you doing certain speeds in certain places. It's an interesting future we've got ahead of us, and I'm not sure one that's for the best. Everything's controlled by the computers on these modern bikes, and so in a way old bikes are just that little bit more personal, because you control the bike completely. It's not down to the computer, it's down to you. And rider aids are all well and good. I mean, if they stop bikes from high siding and skidding, it's a good thing, I guess. But it takes something away a little bit. And if you're just completely used to those rider aids, then how you ever can control a bike when you don't have them? It's not something you're going to be able to do readily because you've got no experience of it. Ha 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 ha, to the front of the queue. So here we are. This is the Freeride E-SM. Supermoto styley. Not doing anything again. It's not locked out by KTM, is it?
Sorry?
It's not locked out by KTM.
Working perfectly yesterday and worked perfectly this morning when I just did it for
Oh no,
you.
I saw it. It's not a sensor on the kickstand or anything, is it? Nothing. Dead as a door now. Well, I can't say my impressions of the E-SM are very good.
Not at the minute, no. It was fine when I had it running for you. What
I saw it. I saw you turn it on. I'm just wondering if there's a sensor in the kickstand that's stopping it from going. Well, don't look like it wants to know, does it? Oh, that didn't happen. The bike was completely dead.